Rolling a stone on a sloping road is easier than lifting it vertically because work done in rolling a stone is less than lifting it. The gravitational potential energy of object at a point above ground is defined as work done in lifting from ground to point opposite gravity. Capacity of doing work in opposite is called energy. If the value of work is positive, then kinetic energy of body increases in energy. The position is no work done if couple stand with weight of 10 kg on its shoulder. The work done by force is positive when displacement occur in direction of force. Efficiency of work is known as energy. Work if there is force. If displacement is horizontal to applied force, then work done is positive. Work done does not depend upon mass of object. The time work done by body does not depend upon initial velocity of object. Work done as force into displacement. When a man pushes a wall but fails to replace it, no work. To say that work has been done, two conditions must be completed. One of them is object must be displaced. The work is product of force and displacement of object towards the direction of force. Work is done on a force body when it experiences energy gain through mechanical effect. Power is interpreted as work rate of or energy reaction work. Rate of work is power. If a man do W work in T time, is power PWB W by T. Name the physical quantity that is equal to product of force and velocity, power. A more powerful engine can do more work in less time, like an current, travel more distance. Power 1 horsepower 746 watt.